In today's video, I'm going to show you how to format your borders here in the Google Sheets app. So if you're using some borders to highlight some of your data in the Google Sheets app, here's how you can format them. So in this example, I have a simple border applied to this data. Now, if I want to do something different, all I have to do would be to select that range where that border is applied. Then go to the bottom right corner right here with our border icon. If I tap on it, here are the different things that we can do with our borders. So we can apply different type of borders, but mainly to format your border, you have your border style and your border color. So if I change the border style into something different, I can do so by just tapping on this. There we go. And here are the different border styles. We have this thin line, thicker line, and the thickest line. We have some dashes, some dots, and some double lines. If we select this double line right here, there you go, it doesn't quickly apply it to our border. What we're going to do is to go back and select the type of borders right here. So this is an all border. I'm just going to tap on it, and there you have it. It has been applied to our data right here. Let's try that again. So that's still selected. Go back to the border icon at the bottom right. There you go. Let's try and choose a color for this border right here. So go ahead and tap on that. Select a color that you want to apply to that border. Let's make it a contrast between our orange background. So let's go for blue. There we have it. Again, it's not automatically applied because we have to go back to our border right here and select all borders. Tap on that, and there you have it. You'll see that we now have a different type of border for our data right here. So it's a double line with the blue color. And that's how easy you can format your borders within your spreadsheet using your Google Sheets app. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.